So I've seen on the news lately a lot of chat about this Brexit thing, yeah. And I know it's not going to stop until they come to some kind of decision about what they're going to do, yeah. And I don't really know much about Brexit. I don't follow politics. I don't watch TV, yeah. But what I do know is a lot of white racist people want this Brexit thing to go ahead, yeah. They want out of the EU, yeah. And it's not about laws or anything else, you know. It's simply about closing the borders. That's all they care about, yeah. Most of these people, yeah, who voted to go out are not even from areas where there are a lot of immigrants, but they're so racist and they're so narrow-minded that they don't care about nothing to do with the economy. Not that I do, yeah, but they don't care about nothing to do with the economy when they put down their vote, yeah. Nothing to do with any European laws, nothing. All they cared about was closing the borders because they don't want Eastern European such and such people and, you know, blacks and Asian people coming in and taking their jobs. And I'm here to tell you the reason why these Eastern Europeans are taking you white English people's jobs is because you lot don't want to do them. Because most of you people are lazy. Yeah, you don't want to do the bare minimum. Yeah. Listen, man's a grafter, yeah. I don't really like to get my hands dirty, but I'm willing to put in the shift. Yeah. I'm willing to work Saturday and Sunday. Yeah. 7 days a week. No problem. Yeah. The other day, started this new job. I'm the supervisor there, yeah. And obviously the weekend come up. Weekend work. Perfect, yeah. I'm from London. I live in London, yeah. England, this is a white man's land, yeah. It's a white man's country, yeah. I jumped on the train, yeah. Remember, it's Sunday morning, yeah. I jumped on the train, and everyone on my fucking carriage was Eastern European or non-English, yeah. There was no, put it this way, there were no white English people. So all the people that were on the train going to work to put in a shift on Sunday on that carriage were all non-English white people. There were no white English people, because white English people, most of them are lazy. None of them want to work hard. They just want to sit down, yeah, or they just want to just do a 9 to 5 and just be like, yeah, I'm cool, I'm cushy. That's fine, yeah. If you're watching this right now, even if you're not English, yeah, or even if you're from a different, don't matter, yeah. If you think it's just acceptable, yeah, to just do your 9 to 5 and just coast along through life, yeah, then do it. But I'm here to tell you, yeah, you can do what you want, but there's always going to be someone who's going to take your job, yeah. I'm a supervisor at my workplace, yeah, and I was saying to some of the guys today on my team, yeah, we've got a lot of people at our workplace right now, yeah, they're flooding it with labour because we've got a project that's behind, yeah. So they're just flooding it with labour, getting lots of electricians and lots of electrical testers and different people from different trades, yeah. But when we get settled, we're going to start cutting down the numbers, and we're going to look at who comes in Monday to Friday, plus who works on the weekends, yeah, and who's actually getting work done rather than just turning up and just trying to collect money, yeah. I'm guilty of doing that. I've done that before, innit, yeah. But anyway, what I'm going to be looking at that, yeah. So there's some people on my team, yeah, they take 1 or 2 days off Monday to Friday, yeah, and then they just think, yeah, I want to come in on the weekend and work time and a half and get double time on Sunday. No, it don't work that way, yeah. And I know people are going to complain and say, oh, I can't, take time off work during the week. No, you can do what the fuck you want, yeah. But just remember this, I'm management and I have the choice to get rid of who I want to get rid of. So do it. Do what you want to do. That's what I'm going to tell them, yeah. And it's the same thing with these white English people, yeah. They want to moan and say, oh yeah, they're coming to take our jobs, but then hold on a minute. You don't want to put in no extra shift, yeah. And then they will be disrespectful and say, oh, these people will come and work for peanuts. No, they're not working for peanuts, yeah. They value money more than you, yeah. You see a lot of British people, yeah. Now I'm not even attacking no white English people or nothing like that. Not that I was intending to anyway. If it comes across like that, I don't give a shit, yeah. But anyway, just the general British, yeah. Don't matter if you're black, blue, Chinese or purple, yeah. Just the general British mentality, yeah. They don't think about investing their money. You see all them Romanian people and them Bulgarian people, man, work with them, All them Eastern European, Romanian, Bulgarian, Polish, even the Africans, yeah. And the Indian people come over and stuff. They will work for peanuts, quote unquote, yeah. And you will think they're pretty much slaves, yeah, to the system. But back home, they will have some big, fat fucking house, yeah, that they put blood, sweat, and tears into to build. Cause that's what them people they do. I know I'm Jamaican. My people, they build houses up from scratch, yeah. So like my grandma, she built a house in Jamaica from the ground up. That's what a lot of them do. That's what a lot of foreign people do. They work like slaves in this country because there's work opportunities, and then they build a house back home, whatever. In it, a lot of British English people don't have that, or British people in general don't have that mentality. That's why most of you lot watching this, if you're not 30 already, definitely when you turn 30, you won't own your own property. And you say, oh, because London's too expensive. Yeah, London's too expensive. No, it's not London too expensive. Yeah, so what if London's too expensive? Why can't you buy a property outside London and rent that out? Yeah, and wait for it to increase in value and then start investing your money. They don't think smart. Yeah, and very disrespectful talking about other people from different countries, so saying they work for peanuts. No, they don't. It's not that they work for peanuts. They value money more than you. Because that money that you get Monday to Friday, you will blow it on the weekend. That money that they get Monday to Friday, they say, boom, right, we will enjoy ourselves a little bit, but most of that money is getting saved. Yeah, they're not interested in driving no flashy Mercedes. Yeah, some of them people there, they can drive, but they choose not to have a car because that's an extra expense. So what they'll do is they'll just ride a bus, or train or public transport to save that money, because they know they'll live like poor people and slaves in this country, but back home they're kings and queens. And that's how you have to think. Me, I don't mind living humble. I drive a flipping Honda Civic. The car does look quite nice, yeah? But people, when they see me walking down the road, they probably think, this guy probably ain't got no money. That's fine. You don't know what I have in my bank account. You don't know that I got a property in Northampton. You don't know I got a studio flat in Egypt. Yeah, you don't need to know, innit? Man don't need to flaunt or stunt on no one, yeah? I know bare people, they wear all the nicest clothes, they got a nice car, but their children ain't got no money in the bank. Their children go to state school, just like all the other broke people. They don't have their own property, yeah? You know, if the parents have a property, the parents don't have a property that they can even pass down to their children. Their children are not set for life, yeah? Because they have small minds. Their brains are too small to think, yeah, boom, let me adopt that type of mentality that the Eastern Europeans and the Romanians and, you know, other ethnic minorities have when they come to this country. Work hard, yeah? Forget about having fun, yeah? Just limit that fun. But you will have things in the future. So, you can do it. If you want, you can piss around all your life, yeah? Work Monday to Friday, come home, watch Netflix, and then just spunk your money on the weekend. Or you can think, yeah, boom, man will just, you know, work 7 days a week. You don't have to do that for a whole year. But just say to yourself, boom, I work 7 days a week for 3 months straight. Obviously, if you feel like your health is being affected by it, then obviously stop. Yeah, there's nothing more valuable than good health. Yeah, but it's up to you, man. If you want the nice big house, you're going to have to put in a shift. Yeah, if you want to just coast through life and work a 9 to 5, just like all the other idiots on this planet, do it. Just don't complain when you don't have nothing. Yeah, stay wise.